After weeks in Thailand, we slowed things down, not to see more, but to spend time with moments that stayed with us. Between quiet mornings and glowing nights along the river, this was our final stretch in Bangkok, a chance to take in one last time. Burr became one of those places we kept coming back to, an easy spot for breakfast and a good way to start the day. Embassy Diplomat Screens is a premium cinema at Central Embassy with lounge access, good food, and a wide reclining seats that make it feel more like an experience than just a movie. The Grand Palace is impossible to miss. Layers of gold, color, and detail in every direction. Known as the Temple of Dawn, Wat Arun rises quietly along the river, covered in intricate porcelain and catching the light differently as the day fades. During Thai New Year, the condo holds its annual merit-making ceremony. Monks are offered food, blessings are given, and the day ends with a shared lunch. And is this like the first time that they've ever done it?
No, they have done this every year.
Every year?
Yeah.
Okay, this is amazing. I'm looking forward to it. Thank you.
Look at Icon Siam. Yeah.
All the way up, distance everywhere. Bangkok is celebrating.
Oh my gosh.
A nighttime cruise along the Chao Phraya, the city lighting up around us. Fireworks and a drone show over the river. Thailand wasn't just a place we visited, it was a time well spent. Thanks for watching this chapter with us. If you enjoyed the journey, like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.